The reasoning why I spend a lot of time making video content surrounding, day trading futures, for all those that, are definitely interested. And I want to say thank you to everyone that, follows and supports the channel as well and spends time watching the videos, is because I really want to try my best to help people find an opportunity, unveil a possibility where day trading or scalping the future markets could be a viable option for not just you, but maybe for your family as well. Okay, it can help turn your life around. It can open doors. It can change. It has changed a lot of people's lives, because for one, it has changed mine. And it has changed a lot of people's lives, I'm sure, that are part of our Discord community and members that support the channel. Now, I want to say this right now. There are a lot of struggling people out there in America right now, with about 82% or more having to find, part-time jobs, side hustles to be able to put food on the table, to pay the bills, amongst other things, okay? It's not easy out here. I understand that. And some people are having to take on, 1, 2, sometimes 3 jobs just to make ends meet. I just want to share with you, the possibility to let you know how trading is. It's not complex. And a lot of people, if you hear them, they say, oh, it's a joke, it's a scam. Those are people who really don't know how to trade. They probably may have the money and probably have lost the money because they haven't spent the time educating themselves on the proper way to actually trade. No matter what you trade, I don't care if it's stocks, options, futures, whatever it is, Forex, none of it is a scam. It's a systematic way and a strategic way of going about how to make money. So I know, again, there are people out there who are having to work so many different jobs, again, just to put food on the table, to keep the lights on. Look, I get it. But look, if you gave trading just a chance, if you looked into it, if you educate yourself on something, if you heard anything about financial freedom, this is what I'm talking about. Being able to be cut from the ties of having to work for somebody for the rest of your life. And then at the end of the day, let's say you are approaching retirement, you really don't have much to show for it. You've got to at some point establish a life for yourself, grab hold of the reins and make a better life for yourself and your family. And that means by putting money away to protect yourself and your family, so that at the end of the day, you'll have money to retire from. Okay. So I know that people out here are hurting, especially with everything going on in the government, but I'm just going to show you just a very simple system, a way in which you can make, say, a minimum of $4,000 a month. Yes, I'm talking about a month from day trading futures. How you probably say, well, how can I do that? Just imagine yourself being able to work from the environment of your home, maybe in half an hour, just to say max 2 hours a day, and make $200 a day, 5 days a week. That's $1,000. It's simple to do. You could do so by trading just one E-mini contract. And you could do the same with micros, but you will need to trade more contracts. So with one E-mini futures contract, trading the NASDAQ tick value is $5 for every tick. Okay. So, and in every, it's $5 a tick. Okay. Is what I'm trying to say. So there's 4 ticks in every point. All right. So let's imagine picking up, let's say 15 points. Okay. One trade, 15 points, one contract. Every point is worth 4 ticks. Okay, so that's 60 ticks. All right, and the tick value for each the tick value for every time is $5. So every time the market moves, 1 tick is $5. So times 5, okay, that's $300. We're talking about 15 points, just 15 points. So imagine just picking up 10 points. 10 points times 4 times 5. That's $200. So just picking up an easy 10 points, 40 ticks on the NASDAQ, trading one E-mini contract a day. Very easy to do. If you don't believe me, guys, I'm telling you, it could definitely be done. All right. I do it every day. So do people that are part of our Discord community, some members there. Look, it's definitely doable. It doesn't matter if you're trading with your own capital or a prop firm. I share with you a systematic way and a strategy how to trade supply and demand. Very easy to do using range charts. Now, I trade like the NASDAQ futures. I'm using a 120 range and then a 24 range as my entry chart. But just pick it up 10 points a day, 40 ticks will give you $200 a day. And that's very easy to do. Now, at a minimum, I'm looking like I pick up primarily 20 points plus a day on the NASDAQ. Okay. So just think about that. 20 points is $400. On one contract, it's on 2 contracts, that's $800, and then you continue doing the math from there. Okay, it continues growing for every contract. All right, so just imagine being able to do this. This is game changing. This is something that could change your life if you simply just put in the time. The biggest part in mastering certain concepts like market structure. Seriously, you could do it. Master that concept, because that's going to let you know, you always say, well, people always ask, well, how do you know which direction to trade? Look at the market. Let it tell you what it's doing. Look, it is making lower lows and lower highs to the downside. That's why I always tell people, start with a higher base chart to determine the direction of the market and trade in that same direction when you move down to your lower range chart. Spend some time here on the channel is what I'm stressing to you, okay? Learn or educate yourself on, the strategy itself. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say it's going to work for everybody because, some people are so tied into old habits and bad habits and things they picked up to where they just can't open their mindset to even learn something or understand something new, okay? I provide what a lot of people like to classify me as a teacher, but I'm not. I'm sharing with you how I go about using a simple process, a simple system and strategy to make money. And it's very easy to make $1,000 a week, okay? And I say that, all right? I mean, seriously, I'll make, more than $200 a day trading for sure, but you can make at least $4,000 a month if you put your mind into it. It's just $200 a day. Break it down. Okay, right from the environment of your own home, whether it's a laptop, a desktop, no matter where you're at. If you're in a hotel somewhere on your vacation, you want to pick up an extra $200 a day or $400 a day or $1,000 a week, you can do it. Trust me. I love doing this. Why do I love doing it? Because it provides me the financial freedom to be able to not have to be so tied into having to work for somebody, not having to worry about what my bills or how they're going to get paid if I'm released from my job or I'm laid off or I'm furloughed like the government is doing to employees out here. A lot of people who have lost their federal jobs, I'm not having to worry about those type of things. Now, can the market be affected? Yeah, whatever goes on in the economy, the market can definitely be affected. But I'm trading based on what the charts tell me, okay? So no matter what the markets are doing, I know how to trade systematically using a specific strategy. Now, you may be asking, well, where can I kind of grasp the information from? Where can I learn it from? I provide a private community for anyone that may be interested. Maybe you want to become an elite or an ultra elite supporter. It's very inexpensive. I'm seriously saying that because it's like pennies on the dollar a day. And if you scroll down to the description portion of the video and click that link titled Ultra Elite Supporter, you'll see how inexpensive it really is. It's only $6.99 to become an elite member. That's a month. Break that down a day. That's pennies on the dollar. That's where I really go into the cornerstone in the blueprint to how I actually trade as a futures trader every day. All right. I'm breaking my trades down. Today I did a video. I have tons of other videos on there just as well, breaking down trades that I take. These are the same trades that I take and I post over on the Discord. I go back and I break them down for this private community. Why? Because I want them to understand. I want them to understand from my mindset the reason why, what I was looking at from top-down analysis, looking at structure, price action. I want them to know why I engaged in that trade. Why did I take profit where I took profit at? Why did I place my stop where I placed that stop at? Because the more you watch this video content, you will slowly it'll click. The light will turn on. You'll start to see and understand a systematic and very easy strategy that has been working for tons of people that are part of this community. And when I say that, I mean part of our Discord community. There's the link down in the description portion of the video for anyone that wants to join the Discord. Okay? We have a testimonial section there. People are leaving testimonials about what I shared about trading range charts, about, just basic information on a simple strategy and providing basic information and knowledge that I've learned, and I believe it's time to pass it on to other people. This is the reason why I do it. I want to see people become successful. Not have to be burnt out working 60, 70, and 80 hour a week jobs, not being able to spend time at home, but just maybe 10 to 20% of the time with their families. It should be broken up. You should be spending 70, 80% of the time with your family and only working 20% of the time. I'm seriously meaning you ever heard the term or the saying, work smarter, not harder? You know what I mean? That's what helps cut the chains, from financial debt. Nobody wants to have a bunch of debt, right? This is a way to find yourself back on top, a way to really dig yourself out of that hole, a way to, open the door so that you can become your own boss and don't have to be employed by someone else, unless you like your your full-time job that you work at. Nothing wrong with doing that. But plenty of people are still looking for opportunities to where they can make more money. Okay, maybe keep the 9 to 5, but look for opportunities to where they can. Yeah, I got time. Let me try something on the side where I can spend maybe an hour of my time a day, and you can possibly make more money than what you're getting paid at your full-time job. All right, seriously, this is a career. You can turn this into a full business for yourself. I'm serious when I say that. So yes, it's very easy. This is a way to cut yourself from having to work as many jobs and side hustles as possible. And just with so many people out here that are climbing themselves in debt, that feel as if, the powers to be are focused on one mass or group of people, as a whole. This is a way to protect and find a way for yourself, for you and your family to get on top. All right. For you and your family to be able to, have financial growth and cut debt and do away with the debt portion of things. All right. So that you can live to be able to have a better life. All right. Stress is what kills a person over time. Okay. So believe me when I say that, I'm being serious. Having financial freedom, having the money to be able to live good, to vacation good, to eat good with healthy habits. Yes, of course. And being able to love and purchase the things that you love, that you so much work hard for in life. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. So I'm not saying get out here and buy a Lamborghini. I'm not saying get out here and buy 3 and 4 mansions and things of that nature. I'm not here to gloat about any of those things. I'm just talking about financial wealth, about cutting yourself from the everyday rat race that goes on here in America, having to get up, go to work, do it all over again every single day. It's like you feel like that mouse that's inside that wheel, and it keeps spinning and keeps spinning and keeps spinning. At what point? Till it pops, till it breaks, So I'm trying to, I'm personally trying to help people and share with them a way, but whether they hear me or not, that's up to them. I will say they're hearing me because there are people who are part of, our community that are joining by the day. And I appreciate you guys for, taking time to watch the video content. And for all those who are elite and ultra elite supporters, I hope you guys are receiving some value out of all that additional video content that when I'm sharing with you almost on a daily basis, the cornerstone, the blueprint to how I actually go about perfecting this and making money from this. You can do the same. So, it's time now for yourself to figure out what it is that you really want, in life. Are you okay with just going to work, maybe a job that's not getting or going anywhere? All right. Or are you going to take control of the reins and change your whole life and make the best of it? Okay. Stop stressing. Stop having to work, 10, 12, 16-hour days. Okay. And not getting much rest at all. Why not step back and only have to work an hour or 2 a day and enjoy the rest of life? Enjoy your family. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Okay? So that's all I have to say. But again, if anyone out there who's interested in becoming an elite and ultra elite to really, dive deep and understand the blueprint, the cornerstone to how I trade, you definitely may want to become an elite or an ultra elite supporter. The link is down in the description. It's titled Ultra Elite Supporter. Once you click on it, there are going to be a few tiers that pop up. The first one, you'll see the elite and the ultra elite. You'll click on one or the other. You'll see the perks and rewards that you receive for each tier and the price. Okay, I already mentioned the elite. All it is $6.99 a month. That is it. Okay, you receive all my trade breakdown videos. There's tons of them. I'm breaking trades down, walking you through the setups. Okay, talking about the strategy. You also receive the video playlist. You also receive my market structure video. Okay, market structure is king. Okay, that is, if you want to speak on Holy Grail, that is the most important concept. All right. Now, if you choose to become and take it one tier up, the Ultra Elite Supporter, you receive everything I just discussed, plus my live recorded trading session videos that I post. Okay. All right. That's my recorded sessions where I go into detail. As I'm trading, I'm talking through top-down analysis, market structure. You see me engage in the trades. I'm walking you through trades. Okay. That's for those that want to become the Ultra Elite Supporters as well. All right. The link is down in the description as well as the Discord. Now, if you're not a current subscriber, please take the time to go ahead and sub by clicking the subscribe button right now. Right now. Okay? It's free. Okay? Become part of the community today. That's all I have, guys. Make sure to click the bell to turn on the post notifications so you do not miss any of the uploads. And last but not least, before I jump off, if you found value in today's video, make sure to click that thumbs up button, that like button for me if you have not already done so. Take care and have a great weekend.